This kind of workshop is great for anybody that needs to understand how to work better as a group and a team, how to facilitate an understanding of creating solutions that are external to your own company yet also valuable internally.
Why should you come to a workshop like this? Because there is a lot of complex issues, problems that are happening in the world right now. We had a bunch of people from around the Baltic and also around the world that came here, very smart people, people who have a bunch of different knowledges in different industries, but what they were lacking a little bit was this method for collaborating, for innovating together.
This is a 3-year project in which is EU financed, in which we are trying to help small, medium-sized companies that are involved in the traditional industries such as maritime technology, also in tourism and renewable energy. And we want to help these companies to connect with creative industries such as gaming, such as 3D printing, and also with virtual reality and augmented reality.
We learned something about how we can manage big problems, big challenges, and also teamwork and time management. That's also important. And it was a wonderful experience, I would say.
Really interesting and not something that is traditionally done in companies and organizations, because you focus so internally on what can we do, can come together to generate much better solutions.
Really allows you and allows them to work together and achieve the solutions by just playing, trying to solve these very complex problems together and just do it.